August 24th. In Australia, Scott Morrison is elected the 7th Prime Minister in 11 years. Former Prime Minister Malcolm Turnbull accepts the result. In Germany, large wildfires are spreading in rural areas. The effort to fight the fires is complicated by buried World War II weapons in the forests. Venezuelan migrants rush to get into Peru before the country increases its border controls. And in Zimbabwe, the Constitutional Court confirms President Mnangagwa's disputed July 30th election victory.